Hey everybody, Rerun here. I'm out here at the McLean Nature Trails. This is another one that I've never been to before. Usually over at the Kaw River one area, over by our governor's mansion here in Topeka. But yeah, this is a neat little area. I have never walked this trail before, but I like how it's so green right now and everything's so beautiful. Turn this around. Here you go, Screwball. Don't know if there's anything in there, but no, nothing in there, but that's for you, Screwball. A little hollow log. This is kind of cool though. I really like this area. But I want to wish everyone a happy Memorial Day weekend, and I just want to thank all the men and women who have served our country. I'm a huge military supporter, and I really appreciate all of those who have served. And again, thank you for all you guys do for us. Again, it's not a bad little area though. Not a little bad area at all. Again, I just like how it's so green out here. I'm definitely getting pumped up for the Colorado Trail one. Getting really excited about that one for sure. It's such a beautiful area though. Yeah, I don't know how far this goes, but I'm probably gonna stop here and turn back around. But it's gonna be a good way to get a little bit of exercise in and check out all the beauty of Kansas. little woods out here. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go and get off, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.